Big news from YouTube. A major policy is starting on the 15th of July 2025. So whether you are monetized or not, as far as you're a content creator here on YouTube, you need to know what is changing, because these changes could affect your channel. So the first update is for those that are monetized, and that part, there's a part where you need to click on either bare skin. Okay, bare skin, that's for those that when they are shooting their video, maybe their children will appear without clothes and all that. So that one is for that. And that's, so you will no longer be choosing bare skin, you will now be choosing reference to sex. That's the category you will now be choosing. So you will now be choosing reference to sex now, no more bare skin. For the July 2025 update that might affect people's channel, especially those using AI and all those faceless channel. So I'm going to read out the update now. Let me read the updates. It says July 2025 updates to YouTube Partners Program monetization policies. In order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube has always required content creators to upload original and authentic content. On July 15, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. This update better reflects what inauthentic content looks like today. This simply means that if you have been using repetitious content, AI content, mass-produced content, like without, you just use AI to produce content without any human touch, no editing and all that, this might affect your channel. Your channel might be in danger. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create videos. If you are a faceless channel, how to create videos that this policy will not affect. If you have been using repetitive content, because some people on their channel, they repeat content, they don't edit, because one content went viral, they'll just post it again, no editing, nothing, no touch on it. So those kind of content, YouTube is going to demonetize them. Then AI voice, like AI videos, AI voice and all that, without any touch, without any editing, without any human touch, those kind of videos are going to be demonetized. Then mass production, like those people that are doing AI video, you just prompt AI to create a video for you without any touch, without any editing. Those kind of mass produced videos are going to be demonetized. So, but for reaction, I think reaction videos are safe. But if you are doing reaction video, you have to be careful. You have to be careful on how you react to videos. You have to impute your own efforts, do some editing. So for those doing repetitive content, YouTube is saying those kind of videos are not authentic. They are inauthentic content. They don't add value to anybody. So YouTube is demonetizing or maybe deleting the channel. So for now, nobody knows what is going to happen. So let's just wait till on 15. Let's see what YouTube is going to do to those kind of channels. So, but for those that are showing their face in their videos, this policy is not going to affect them. So, just like as I'm showing my face now, so this policy is not going to affect me in any way. This update is a big deal, whether you're a small creator or a big creator. As far as you are doing faceless channel, you have to adhere to this. So I'll be following it closely and share tips on how to adapt to it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. So you can drop a comment below to share your thoughts, or if you have a question about the policy, you can drop it in the comment section.